Guys, so I've got to change a coolant pipe on this Honda CRV. Got the car, it's on the ramp, I'm chilling outside. Nice day for it. Alright, so the coolant pipe is behind this exhaust. If you see it there, this pipe there that you see there, that has got holes in it. That's the one I'm changing. There's a lot of rust going on underneath this car now. A lot of rust, mate. So I've got the exhaust disconnected from here. That's the easiest spot so far, I'm not gonna lie. But you see now this bolt here, this is a problem in itself right there. That is, I've smashed the 12mm onto there and it's just gonna round off 100%. So the problems start. The next bolt I've got to get off is this one up here. See that one? I wish I could zoom into the banter going on down there, man. Alright. Yeah, anyway, this is the job. Sort of found a way around this rust at the bottom. I'll show you in a second. I'm sticking a lambda sensor right now. Got a special socket to do that. Come out nicely. I'm using WD-40 to do everything. So really don't want to be running into rust, you know what I mean? So to get this little lambda sensor out, go there. Don't have to get this little plate here off. I've already taken the 2 bolts off there, and then I can take these 4 bolts off, and then that should be the exhaust coming off if I take these 2 bolts off here on this EGR valve pipe. So yeah, this is the pipe that I'm changing. Proper rotten. Comes down there behind the exhaust down into like what looks. But yeah. So even though the sunlight is probably not allowing you guys to see much, this is the first time I'm about to use a wire brush on the job. So you see the bolts down there. I'm gonna clean them up so I don't want the studs to come out of the EGR. Okay, so I think I better stand like this because the sun is like right there. So the exhaust is ready to come out now. Yeah, this rust bucket is out. See the rusty bolt? I didn't take it out, I just took the bracket off at a different location. Same with that one as well. So we're good to go. All I need now is a exhaust manifold gasket. I wish the parts advisor that sold me this pipe was like on it enough to be like, yeah, you're gonna need an exhaust manifold gasket and an EGR valve gasket as well. Yeah, he sold me the pipe. It probably says a lot of this as well. So to take this pipe out, I guess I've got to take the EGR valve off. So I'm going to need probably another EGR valve gasket. I think I've got 3 bolts there. One here, one there, behind that bracket, and then another one down there. I've got to take this bracket out, which is a 10mm. Okay, so to get this bracket off, I'm having to hold the phone a bit. You see, this bracket here, I've got to take another bracket off down there. Let me swap it out and see what I'm showing you. Yeah, so this lock down here has to come off so I can get the space to work with this. I could try and just move it, but yeah, I probably will first. If I get stuck, then I'll move it. But 1 bolt there, 1 bolt here, just the 3, I think. Let's try it. Okay, so just the 3 bolts coming out. Got 1 there, one out there already, and another one here on this side. I don't know how it's going to look on camera, guys. I know the light is extremely bright. Well, the EGR valve is trying to back off. It needs to go that way, really. And it's hitting up against something. There's a pipe there. Look how many specialist tools I've had to pull out so far to do this job. This one is to get the coolant pipe off. Got to get out this lambda sensor socket. I've got my hose clamp pliers as well. A few of the tools over there. So yeah, wait for mechanic course for some money. You've got to pay the money, guys. You've got to pay that money. On here, it goes like in there like that to break the seal down there. Where's the seal? Can't see shit. That one there. So this goes in there and trying to works around to break the seal, and you see it's pointed away from it so it doesn't burst the pipe. Come in there like that. I don't know, but I think at this stage, if I just hit this EGR valve with a hammer, it might start splitting on this. I just spray it down with some WD-40. Goes in there, up there, up there. There's no securing bolts, it's just like clamped. So when this moves away, this is going to come out. Push this with a little bit more, I think. I hit it with a hammer and I've got it out from this side. See? It's come out there, that's the water pump behind it, that's the impellers or the propellers, or whatever you want to call them. So now we've got to get it off this side. Wait, it's coming, it's coming. So I got the hammer out, this end of the pipe positioned like away from me. And then I've just been hitting my hammer on this whilst pushing this that way, and it's been coming out. So you see the seal there? It's on its way out. It's coming out. Ta-da! Yes, got this pipe out. Yeah, the new pipe doesn't have this bit on it. I think this is the image for the YouTube video.